Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a very exciting video. I'm going to be trying on different lip products under a microscope. As you can see, I have my little microscope here. This is actually one of my favorite products. It is so fun to use. I actually did a video with this already, comparing my face with and without makeup. I will link that below. But for today, I'm going to be doing different lip products under this guy right here. This is a microscope I got on Amazon. They are so inexpensive and so fun to use. I'm going to be trying on all these different products, lip products that are in my hand. I have both drugstore and high-end lip products. Okay, so we're going to get started, but before we do, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so obviously this is my mirror. I'm going to use that to obviously see when I'm applying my lipsticks. I'm going to use my laptop so I can see with my microscope, so don't mind these. I'm telling you this because you can obviously see it on the screen. So I am going to start off with bare lips. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so you can obviously see my makeup that is on top of my lip. Usually after I do my makeup, there's always excess foundation and powder on my lips, so that's what you're seeing right here. And you can obviously see little sparkles. That's probably from my highlight, so you can see everything on my lips. And I didn't exfoliate my lips in like 2 days, just so I can show you the difference between exfoliated lips and dry lips like these. So this is the top. So I'm going to move on to lip exfoliator. This is by Pure Cosmetics. I actually got this in my BoxyCharm, I think. This is the X Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. As I'm scrubbing this on my lips, I can feel it tingling a little bit. I guess that's plumping the lip. Okay, so let's see how my lips look after it's been exfoliated. So obviously it's a lot smoother. There is no dryness and excess makeup on it. Let's check out the top. Okay, so I'm going to move on with lip balm. The one I'm using is by Estee Lauder. It is their Pure Color Envy Blooming Lip Balm. It looks like so. It kind of matches my nails. I'm just going to apply that to the lips. So here's the bottom. Ooh. Okay. It looks very moisturized, very even. Let's move on to the top. This is the top, bottom, top. It looked very sparkly. Obviously it was the moisturizer, but it kind of looked like as if I had a highlighter on my lip. Okay, so I did zoom you guys in a little bit because I was a little too far. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing lip glosses, and then I'm going to move on to lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. Okay, so I'm going to be using next the Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk Gloss Balm. It looks like this. I'm going to do the bottom. Oh yeah, super super pretty. Wow. Let's check out the top. Obviously it's gonna look the same, but so I got this lip gloss because I assumed it was going to be super pretty, and I was right. Under the microscope you can see how thick this lip gloss was, and you can see how sparkly and nice it was, which is what I was going for. But yeah, this one was really nice. I'm going to move on to another lip gloss, but this one is a drugstore. It is the Maybelline Shine Shot Glossy Shine Lip Top Coat. I've had this for a while. It is also clear but doesn't have the sparkles just like this does. I kind of want to see the difference, so that's why I chose two clear lip glosses, one with sparkles or glitter, whatever, and one without. Okay, so let's start in the bottom. Ooh. Wow. Let me see if I can focus it a little bit more. No. It looks so nice and smooth and moisturized. Of course, this is also a little bit thick, which is what I actually like in a lip gloss. I like it to be nice and thick so it can last a long time. Yeah, it looks kind of like a big bubble almost. A very shiny bubble. Okay, so I'm going to move on to lipsticks. I'm going to be using MAC matte lipstick in the shade Lady Danger. Okay. Ew. Ew. That line you always see is the line I have in the middle of my lip. Yeah, this is it. So you can see how the lipstick kind of settles in between that line. Okay, so up close it kind of looks like lava, but not. But yeah, you can see how it's settled in between that line in the middle of my lip. I don't really like that, but when I look at it, it looks very smooth. Obviously it's very different because this is actually zooming in. At first it kind of shocked me, and then I didn't like it, so we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one I'm going to move on to is my Tom Ford lip color in the shade Violet Fatale. Compared to the MAC one, it is not as drying. This one is a matte finish. I think this one is not. I think this one is a little bit more moisturizing. Yeah, it's more of a satiny finish. Ooh, I was not expecting that. I did not expect this to be so shiny. It almost looks like a lip gloss, but a lipstick. This is the line in between my lip, by the way. It looks so much nicer. Okay, so we're gonna do a comparison. With this one, it wasn't as smooth and it wasn't as sparkly, maybe because this one is more of a matte, and this one kind of settled into the big line in between my lip. But this one, it looks all around very smooth, very pretty. But yeah, I definitely like this a lot more. Okay, so the Tom Ford lipstick also gave me a little bit of a tint, which I like. Since it gave me a little bit of a tint, I'm just going to see how it looks like under the microscope. Ooh. Wait, focus. Okay. Mm-hmm. It looks very nice. It looks very smooth and even. But yeah, we have to move on to the next lip product, which is my Smashbox. Okay, always on metallic matte. It looks terrible, but we're gonna see how it looks like under a microscope. Ooh. Okay. Okay. It looks like a highlighter. Kind of looks like my highlight. No, it doesn't. Okay, this looks a lot better in a microscope than I thought it would. The bottom look a lot smoother than the top. I don't know what the top is doing. Maybe I didn't apply it like I should on top. But yeah, overall this one was nice. It looked like I put highlight on my lips, which is super nice. I really liked it. In person, it didn't look very appealing, obviously, but in the microscope, it looked very nice. But yeah, I think I'm going to be doing a part 2 where I'm going to be doing more DIYs and try other lip products that I've never tried before. So make sure you subscribed and stay tuned for that. But yeah, this video was so much fun to do. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And also, please tell me in the comments down below what lip product you want me to do on my part 2. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Again, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.